Hello! Today I am unboxing yet another product. I bought a few things in the financial year sale in June, like I mentioned last video, but things have been arriving late, and one of them is this charger. So some of you may know I've got the X-T4 ×2. So my family also likes photography and filmmaking, so I bought this charger so we can charge all the batteries a little bit quicker rather than plugging into the wall. The other thing is when you plug it in the wall, the camera's kind of attached, so if you bump it or something, it's kind of danger zone. So let's have a look in here. By the way, I don't know what that dot is. What do you think that is? I hope it's not faulty. I'm sure it's not. Let's see in here. So we've got a little booklet of some sort. Oh, God. Every time. I'm so clumsy. Anyway, the booklet. I think the other one there might be in another language. I might just leave it because I think it's exactly the same. Let's have a look at the actual charger. No, I'm going to leave it. I'm going to have a look. Come on. Come out. Don't be scared. Oh, I literally can't take it out. Oh my gosh, there's more. Check this out. They're all stuck in there. Anyway, I need a little pen or something to lift them up. Okay, here we go. Got it. Finally. How boring. Yeah, they're just in another language. So this is the one I think I need to read. But you know what? As I was looking at this box, I Googled the name, the brand, the model, and it said that you need a cable, which may explain why this has just come with just this, which is weird. You would think that would have a cable. You know what? Let me just stop recording. I'll have a look at this and then I'll actually tell you what the story is. Hold on. Interesting. So I went to the Fuji site, and on the site it does say that it requires a power adapter and a cord for it to work, which is really weird. I'm quite surprised that that's the way it's come, but anyway, luckily I do have that. So this is the original charger that came with the Fuji X-T4. Now you're probably not going to be able to see that, but on there it says the model that corresponds with the website, and there's the USB-C to C cable, so I guess that goes into there. But I'm really surprised that as a item on its own this doesn't come with a cable. That's just weird to me. What's happening, Fuji? Anyway, maybe it's some environmental thing or whatever, but like say your cable was broken and then you bought that for I don't know, something's not piecing up, and it wasn't cheap. Anyway, I'm sure it'll work really well, so let's continue. I will plug the batteries in and see how long they charge for, and I'll put that on the screen. And yeah, they can charge at the same time, which is cool too. So if you've got several, it's a quicker way of charging. So yeah, I'll let you know in the description below how it all goes, or in the end of the video. But yeah, that's the charger. So there we are. It looks like it doesn't come with the cable for at least the Australian model. I'm assuming around the world is the same thing. Yeah. Anyway, if you enjoyed the video, you can give a thumbs up or subscribe or whatever, and I will leave you with the outro of me charging it, putting it on so you can see what the LCD looks like, etc. And I'll let you know how long the batteries took to charge. Okay, bye! Alright, so I'm down here on the floor, got the charger plugged in, we've got our timer here, and I'll put the batteries in, we'll start the timer and we'll see how it goes. So that's one, the other, and start. I'll show you that, hopefully that can be seen in the camera. So they're both on 0, and we'll see how long it takes. So I'll return maybe every half an hour, and we'll see how it's progressing. See you then. Alright, so we are at 45 minutes and the batteries are at 20%, so we're 1/5 of the way there with 45 minutes. So I'll check in again a little bit later and we'll see how we're going. Alright, so we are at 1 hour 30 and one of the batteries just reached 50% and the other one's still at 45, so it just jumped to 50 now, so I'm estimating probably will be around 3 hours to get it all done. See you soon. Alright, we're speeding along now at 2 hours and 10 minutes just about, and we're at 75 and 70, so I wonder if we'll get that under 3 hours, we'll see. Alright, see you in a bit, hopefully for the last one. I'll try and time it close to the 100%, I don't know, it might speed up at the end, I wonder how it'll go. Anyway, see you soon. 2.5 hours and we are at, or just over 2.5 hours, 90% and 85, so getting close now. So it's just 10 minutes later and we've gone to 95 and 90, so it's gone up 5% on each battery in the last 10 minutes. So I'm expecting that we'll be close to finish under 3 hours at this stage. Oh, so 2 hours 49 and we've reached 100% on the left battery and just now waiting for that right one. So I'll come back in when that's done. We are now racing down to the finish line, hoping that we'll hit the 3 hour mark with that second battery. First one's already done. I don't know if we'll get there. We've got like 15 seconds, hoping it'll click over, but come on, come on. Oh, come on, 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Ooh. Yes, we got there. I just looked away for a sec there. Did you see that? That actually happened right on 3 hours, I think, exactly, was it? Oh gosh, that's cool. So look, there we go. It took exactly 3 hours. I can't believe that just happened. Anyway, yeah, so that's it for the video. Yeah, everything went well. It was easy to charge them, and it's nice that they are charging together, so you get 2 batteries in the 3 hours. If you enjoyed the video, give a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more from me, and the links to this and my other equipment, etc. is in the description, as well as my social media links, so if you want to follow me on other platforms you can check that out. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!